Hey folks, welcome back to the Weekend Show where we get to relive the events that occurred during the week. Now, the most important event that occurred during the week is the Middle Eastern war has resurfaced once again. US and Iran have started bombing each other once again. And this has disrupted all the trade that comes through the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is no more straight again. And this has primarily affected the crude oil prices. So crude oil prices $70 पे चल रहे थे, अभी $80 per barrel पे चल रहे हैं. So a jump of almost 10-12%. एंड इसका स्पिल ओवर इफेक्ट इक्विटी मार्केट्स में भी देखा गया. मिड वीक में इक्विटी मार्केट सडनली डिप्ड बट अगेन स्टार्टेड रैलिंग थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे. So we can expect the equity markets to continue moving upwards. Yes, there will be short-term volatility, but ultimately the equity markets will not react in the similar fashion that it did when the first time the war broke out in the month of Feb. क्योंकि recurrent events के लिए equity markets same type of reaction नहीं देता. Now, gold and silver, अगर उनकी बात करें तो they both are still on the weak foot because Fed Reserve has given a hint that they might increase the interest rates going forward. So जब US Treasury में ज़्यादा interest मिल रहा होता है तो non-yielding assets जो होते हैं जैसे gold and silver, which are basically considered as safe haven instruments, वो क्या हो जाते हैं, वो लेस अट्रैक्टिव होते हैं इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए. सो दैट इज द रीजन गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर आर बोथ फॉलिंग ट्रेमेंडसली from their highs a few months back. Now, keep your SIPs and STPs intact because these are the ones that will give you that will make you returns going forward. And focus on asset allocation and diversification to strike the perfect balance between growth and stability. And to get the right asset allocation, you can reach out to me. My contact details are mentioned on the screen. I'll be more than happy to assist. My name is Sanjeev Akhi. I'm an AMFI registered mutual fund distributor. My contact details are mentioned on the screen. You can reach out to me anytime. Thank you very much for watching. Jai Hind.